allowed to travel because the CDC order went into effect just before midnight. And Alexandra Leslie is joining us now. Alex, the TSA is implementing this all as a part of Joe Biden's or President Biden's new executive order. There. We'll get back to Alex coming up once we sort out those audio difficulties. Still ahead.
The winter weather, of course, brings winter weather activities, what you need to know to stay safe while sledding.
And before we head to break, here are some winning lottery numbers from last night's drawing.